Guys, today was a bit busy day for me, as most of my friends know from my friend circle. Like, we are actively involved in social work. We, as a part of iGate Foundation, we are trying to reach out lot many people who are in need and providing them groceries. So, and also we started raising some money to my hometown, which is Sagar, which is which belongs to Shimoga district. So we started raising money for them. So that's what I was a little busy for today. I couldn't prepare much for my today's video, but then I just wanted to clarify a question what most people have in their mind, saying whether the business strategy, whatever you're saying, the marketing strategy, can this be implemented offline? So does it only work good with online, or can it be implemented offline? See, this strategy can also be implemented offline. In fact, the very business model which is used in this strategy was being used offline itself, right? This online era has been from a decade or two, but then people have used marketing strategies, offline. Most of the time it was offline. And they try to use few strategies. Some are good, some are bad, and some are pretty bad. And the things which make our company grow is the strategies which are providing good results. So that's what we want to choose, right? A strategy which has which will give me good results, which will bring me more customers, wherein I can target a bigger audience. So what offline people, what they have been doing is they have used this strategy but not in a proper procedure. See, there is a gravity to this. They have to understand what pulls people towards this strategy. They are not trying to do it in a proper procedure. There is a procedure for this. If you try to skip a part of it, then the procedure is not complete, right? So that's what they have been doing. They have only used bit and pieces of this strategy and tried to lure their customers. The only goal for them is make your customers as one time investment. So that's why most of the offline businesses do not give good profit, because they see their customers as one time investment. But when you do this with a proper strategy, you can create your customers to be a lifelong period. So that's how you build a relationship with them. Now, how do you build a relationship is trying to build a trust in them, and that is by providing a good value to your customers. Once provide good value to your customers, you will see you know uh, there will be a transition in your company itself or in your business itself, because once you bring in customers who trust you, they'll try to share your message to other people, and that's how you will be able to target a bigger audience unknowingly. And that's how you have to plan your strategy well in your business. So that's what I wanted to highlight. And see, working offline and online are two different models. You can start your business offline, then parallelly work with online, because the algorithms which work online are different. There are a lot many platforms, as we all know. Facebook has a different algorithm, YouTube has a different algorithm, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or take any media platform, social media platform, they have a different algorithm. So what you can do is try to have your offline businesses going. Try to implement this strategy, whatever I'm trying to speak. Try to go ahead with this, and parallelly try to use this strategy online. So step by step, you try to do it step by step. Then once you see some success with this, then it's like a fun, trying to involve your marketing strategy in this way. It's a fun, so you get involved in this. See, and then once it's become easier for you, once you understand this procedure, this strategy very well, you will be eager to go into the online platform and work for it. So that's how it is. So try to do it, and this is how you build a value ladder for your business. I'll speak about the value ladder and some more strategies what you can try to achieve in your marketing. So that I'll try to speak up in my later videos. So I just wanted to highlight whether this can be implemented in offline business also. So that's it for today. Hopefully I'm being helpful for you for whatever sessions I have taken. So I'll come up with more information. See you soon. Bye.